Hey everyone, want to check your SSD's health with CrystalDiskInfo? Monitoring your SSD's health can help you detect potential problems early, prevent data loss, and know when it may be time to replace your drive. In this full guide, I'll show you how to check SSD health using CrystalDiskInfo in 2026. So let's get started. First, launch CrystalDiskInfo on your computer. The program will automatically detect all supported storage devices connected to your system, including SSDs and hard drives. Next, choose your SSD from the list at the top of the window if you have more than one drive installed. CrystalDiskInfo will display detailed information for the selected drive. Now look at the health status indicator. You'll usually see a status such as good, caution, or bad. A good status generally indicates that your SSD is operating normally, while caution or bad may require further investigation or a backup of your important files. Next, review the SSD's temperature. Keeping your SSD within a normal operating temperature range helps maintain performance and reliability. Scroll down to the S.M.A.R.T attributes. Depending on your SSD model, you may see information such as remaining life, total host writes, power on hours, error counts, and other health-related statistics. Check your SSD's health from time to time, especially if your computer starts behaving unexpectedly. Regular monitoring allows you to spot warning signs early and back up your important data before serious hardware problems occur. For the best experience, keep regular backups of your important files, ensure your SSD has proper cooling, keep your operating system and SSD firmware updated whenever possible. And replace the drive if its health status indicates a serious problem. Proactive maintenance can help extend the life of your storage device, and that's how to check your SSD's health with CrystalDiskInfo in 2026. Whether you're monitoring drive health, preventing data loss, or keeping your computer running reliably, CrystalDiskInfo makes it quick and easy to stay informed about your SSD's condition. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.